This video is going to show you some of the things that you're able to do with your contacts once you have imported them into your new Client Bay CRM. So once you've logged into your Client Bay, you're going to want to navigate to your contacts and leads. So you can do that two ways. You can click right here where it says contacts and leads, or you can navigate to your left menu, click contacts, and click my contacts and leads. This will bring you to a list of your contacts that have been imported or that you've manually uploaded into the system. So you're just going to simply click on one of your clients. And this is going to give you an overview of the client information that has automatically been entered into the system when you imported, or what you manually entered when you first set up this client. You do have additional options for entering information. So there's quite a few different fields that you could fill in here. You could provide a secondary email, cell, work phone numbers, company information. You can indicate if they have a significant other, any children that they might have. You can also include their date of birth, which is kind of an important one because there are marketing campaigns that you can link to a client. And one of those campaigns is a birthday message. So you can set it up to automatically send a birthday message out on their date of birth. You can also add more notes to the client. And you can also include their home anniversary. So if you were involved in their last sale or purchase, you can include that information in here. And again, that will link to a marketing campaign where it can automatically send home anniversary messages to them through the marketing campaigns. Another thing I will show you here is that you can categorize your contacts by contact type. So when you first start using the system, you're not going to have any contact types selected or available to you. So you do have to create those contact type categories. So you're simply going to hit add contact type, and then you can enter in whatever different contact types you want to do. So maybe you want to categorize by referral. So you would type in referral, add contact type. Maybe you want buyer leads. You could do seller leads. Maybe you have a lot of contacts from your kids' sports. So you could do sports contacts. However you want to categorize your database, you can add in as many as you want here. This is personal to your database, so whatever you enter here is not going to go into anybody else's database management system. Once you have your different contact types in there, you're just going to click OK. And then to categorize this particular client that you're currently in, to categorize them as a particular contact type, you're going to hit the three dots. You're going to click Edit Contact Type, and you're going to choose the contact type that this person is. So we'll just say that this one is a buyer lead, and it will automatically change that for you. So if we now go back up to the top here, I'll just show you a couple other things that you can do. Oh, sorry, I should just show quickly that you should save your work as you go along whenever you're entering in and changing information here. So in your clients or in your contacts, you do have the option to add action plans and marketing campaigns. So an action plan actually consists of marketing campaigns and other types of actions that you might be using with that client. So for example, you may choose an action plan that will give you sort of a to-do list of all those different things to do with that client, and it will include a marketing campaign. So I'll show you one just so you can get a good understanding of what that means. So if you're going to assign an action plan, you're just going to click the blue button. And you can scroll down to the different types of action plans available to choose which one you think is the most appropriate. For this, we're going to click the 5-year Sphere of Influence Nurturing Plan. So you can see it has a whole list of different things that will be included in that action plan. So you choose the action plan you want to use, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and click Save. And you'll see that it has added your 5-year Sphere of Influence Nurturing Plan. To add in the marketing campaign as well, you're going to click Add to Campaign. And you can scroll down and find the 5-year Sphere of Influence Nurturing Campaign. You'll select that box, click Save, and now you have both set up to run. So you can see if you click now on your top menu, if you go over to Actions, it is going to show you all the pending and completed actions for that particular client. So you can see that it shows that we added the client to the 5-year Sphere of Influence Nurturing Campaign. It's already been done. So then the next step for this client in the action plan is going to be in 89 days. It's going to post a reminder for us to call them. And it does actually provide you with a script of what to say during that phone call. So pretty cool functions within your contact management here. If you choose to not go with the action plan, or if you want to stop a marketing campaign, it's very easy. You just click the little trash can and it will remove that marketing campaign or that action plan for you. So those are just a few of the things that you can do in your client management or your contact management. There are quite a few more functions available to you. There are longer training videos that you can watch at showtime.backatyou.com. That will give you a pretty good in-depth look at all of the things available to you in your contact management.